Hello and welcome to the Welsh Polyglot. Tonight's episode, unfortunately, has nothing to do with Arabic and it has nothing to do with memorize, but it has everything to do with me and my laptop. And we are having marital issues at the moment. And our counselor, ChatGPT, whom I'm paying 20 quid a month for, by the way, absolutely useless. So I cancelled the chat and I did the thing myself, which I should have done in the first place, to be fair. I found a group on Facebook that deals with the software that I'm using. So I think I'll stick to the manual route for now. So I hope this video comes out okay. And I hope it doesn't come across like I'm losing my mind, which I was earlier. I think I'm going to sleep now and just look at the ceiling and count my sheep, Welsh brethren. Okay?